Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple, has anti-inflammatory qualities and helps to reduce abdominal fat. Vitamin C and beta-carotene are also present. These antioxidants can aid in the reduction of wrinkles, the improvement of general skin texture, and the reduction of skin damage caused by the sun and pollution. Celery has the ability to boost the digestive system's function. It acts as a natural laxative and can also help to calm nerves that have been injured by a sedentary lifestyle and poor eating habits. It also contains a lot of calcium, silica, and vitamin K, all of which can help to strengthen bones. Apples, turmeric, and ginger are also used in this juice. The following is how to make the mixed juice for your best health.
For this recipe, we're going to be using some pineapple or whole pineapple because that's the base of the juice. We're going to be having 1 lime, 3 to 4 apples. In this case, I'm using 4 because my apples are pretty small. And 3 to 4 stalks of celery. In this case, I'm starting off small. I'm being conservative when it comes to my use of the celery for this recipe because I am not big on this particular veggie. I'll be honest with you guys. So hopefully it grows on me and I can add more of this in the near future when I do make a second batch. I'm going to be using about 2 to 3 thumbs of ginger. Please use this at your discretion. Feel free to use less or more if you, depending on how spicy you want your juice to be. For those that do not know, ginger is pretty spicy, okay? So use at your discretion. You can start off with just 1 thumb and then begin to grow on that if you want to add more. And of course, I'll be using a thumb or 2 of turmeric. And that is all we are using, or we're going to be juicing today for this particular recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and prep my fruits and then we're going to get started with the juicing process. Let me just say, this pineapple is pretty juicy. I know I shouldn't be eating it, but I'm about to take a bite. I'm sorry, I apologize. Oh my God. Tasting this pineapple takes me back to the days. Tasting this pineapple takes me back to my childhood memories of growing up in Nigeria and just eating fresh fruits. Oh gosh, so nostalgic and so good. So now we have our pineapple. We have the apples. I already cut my lemon in half. We have that as well. And we have the celery. And now let's just get to juicing. I'm going to start off juicing the pineapple first. And then I'm going to juice the turmeric and the ginger before I proceed to juicing the apple and the celery. Reason for that is ginger and turmeric sometimes get stuck in the juicer. And you want to get all the flavor out as much as you can, right? So you can get the nutrition value behind what you're juicing in there. So that's why I'm going to push that in there. And then hopefully the outstanding juices from that gets flushed out with the apple juice. So let's get started. Now we're done with that. We're gonna go ahead and take the turmeric and the ginger and we're gonna put it in. Again, I am using about 2 thumb sizes of the ginger because I want mine to be spicy. But use at your discretion. Apples, last but not least. The apples have some pretty good nutrition value as well. I'll be sure to share all the nutrition value of all the individual fruits and veggies I'm using for this juice recipe in the description box. Take a break and I'm going to go ahead and pour that mixture into my pitcher as well. Into the pitcher it goes. And as you can see, it's changing from a regular yellow color to a mustard yellow. That's because of the turmeric. Turmeric has a lot of familiarities, or a lot of yellow, mustard yellow color. As you can see, that's the pulp for it. It's very similar to curry actually. So yeah, that's why the color is changing like so. But all I have left to juice are my apples. So let's just keep on going and then we can wrap up the recipe. And for those that may be wondering how the last recipe turned out, the carrot, pineapple, orange juice recipe, in regards to my kids, they loved it. It was a hit. My older daughter didn't even know that it wasn't store-bought. And to this moment, I actually haven't told her, so shh, don't tell her so. She loved it. So I'm hoping this one is a hit as well, because it's about time that I begin to teach them how to, eat healthy. So about 4 small size apples give us this much juice. Not bad. Now it's gonna go right into this and we should be good to go. Oh, no, we are not good to go. One last thing, the lime. But duh. I'm not gonna juice that with my juicer. I'm actually going to use a citrus squeezer or a citrus juicer, if that's the word they use for it. And my lime is pretty big in comparison to the size of a juicer, but hey, we're gonna make it work. And we just squeeze that right into the mixture before we mix it all together. Squeeze like an orange. And it was of my daughter, Shiloh. Whenever she hugs me, she goes, "Mommy, squeeze me like an orange." Oh God, trust me, I live for those hugs. She is just a blessing. And squeeze the other half. This is a pretty big lime, so I don't think I'm going to squeeze the whole thing. I would like to mix it up first together. And if it's not too tangy, then I'll add some more. So now we just proceed to mixing and we are done. Take a spatula, mix it up. And let me see, let's taste to see if this is actually as good as I hope it is. Take a little mini glass. Moment of truth. Here we go, y'all. Oh my God. It is actually good. It's not too sweet. It's not overwhelming, but it is really rich. And it feels refreshing and healthy. It feels like it's, when you drink it, you can tell you're filling your body with the right stuff. Let me put it to you like that. But yeah, that's it. I'm not even gonna add any more lime. That's perfect. And just like so, another juice recipe for the week, family. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video.